Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see some more questions on profit and loss for year 5 students. Let's get started. Profit and loss. A man bought eggs at rupees 2.50 per egg. If he sells them at rupees 36 a dozen, find his loss or profit. He is purchasing the eggs at 2.50 per egg. That means per egg means one egg is purchased at 2.50. If he sells them at 36 a dozen, what is the meaning of a dozen? Dozen means you are buying 12 pieces. So we need to find out the cost price of 12 pieces of eggs. We have one egg. The cost price of one egg is rupees 2.50. We need to find out the cost price of 12 eggs. How do you reach from 1 to 12? 1 to 12, I multiply that with 12, then I reach it to 12. The same operation I have to do it here also multiplied by 12. Let's multiply that. 2.50 multiplied by 12. How we are going to multiply that? Let's move this decimal one digit on right hand side. The meaning is that you are writing 10 in the denominator. Now in the numerator it will be 25 times 12 over 10. How we are going to do that? We will write down 25 as 20 plus 5 multiplied by 12 over 10. This will be written as 20 into 12 plus 5 into 12 over 10. This will be written as 20 into 12 is 12 twos are 24. So this will be 240 here plus 5 times 12 60. That will be here and then over 10. This will be 240 plus 60 will give you 300 over 10. 0 got cancelled from here and your answer will be 30 rupees. Cost price of 12 eggs is 30 rupees. The selling price of 12 eggs is 36 rupees. Now you have a profit or loss. Here the selling price is more than the cost price. That means you have a profit. So the formula for the profit is profit will be given by selling price minus of cost price. That will be equal to selling price is how much? Selling price is 36 minus cost price is 30. If you subtract it, your answer will be 6 rupees. So you have a profit of 6 rupees. Let's see one more example. A grocer bought 20 milk sachets at the rate of rupees 10 each and sold them at the rate of rupees 11 each. Find his total gain or loss. We have to find out the cost price and the selling price. For how many sachets? The 20 milk sachets. Let's read that. 20 milk sachets at the rate of 10 rupees each. That means he purchased one sachet at 10 rupees. So I need to find out the cost price for 20 milk sachets. The cost price of one milk sachet is 10 rupees. The cost price of 20 milk sachets. How do you reach from 1 to 20? Multiplied by 20, right? You are multiplying by 20 here. The same operation you have to do it here also multiplied by 20. Let's write down here 10 multiplied by 20 which will be equal to 200 rupees. The cost price of 20 milk sachets is 200 rupees. The selling price for each sachet is rupees 11. So one milk sachet, the selling price is rupees 11. I need to calculate the selling price of 20 milk sachets. So the selling price of 20 milk sachets will be, how do you reach from 1 to 20? Multiplied by 20, right? Here it is multiplied by 20. The same operation you have to do it here multiplied by 20. Let's write down here 11 multiplied by 20. 11 will be written as 10 plus 1 multiplied by 20. This will be 10 into 20 plus 1 into 20. 10 into 20 will be 200 plus 20. This will be equal to 220 rupees. Selling price is 220 rupees and the cost price is 200 rupees. You have a profit or loss? You have a profit. Selling price is higher than the cost price. So we have a profit. Let's write down the answer here, profit. Profit will be given by selling price minus of cost price. Selling price is 220 minus cost price is 200. If you subtract it, your answer is 20 rupees. So you have a profit of 20 rupees. Let's see one more example. Mrs. Verma buys pencil at rupees 350 per 100 and sells each at rupees 3.25. Find his loss or profit on 100 pencils. I need to find out the loss and profit on 100 pencils. He purchased 100 pencils at the rate of rupees 350. So the cost price of 100 pencils is 350 rupees. I need to calculate the selling price of 100 pencils. He sells each pencil at rupees 3.25. So the selling price of one pencil is 3.25. Each means one pencil. So I need to calculate the selling price of 100 pencils. How do you reach from 1 to 100? Multiplied by 100. Let's multiply this here. Left hand side multiplied by 100. Right hand side also you have to do the same operation, multiplied by 100. Let's write down 3.25 multiplied by 100. If you move this decimal to right, that means you are writing 100 in the denominator. This will be written as 325 over 100 multiplied by 100. 100 got cancelled and your answer will be 325 rupees. You have a selling price of 325 rupees and the cost price is 350 rupees. You have a profit or loss? You have a loss because your cost price is more than the selling price. Loss will be given by cost price minus of selling price. This will be written as cost price is 350 minus of selling price is 325. If you subtract it, your answer will be 25 rupees. You have a loss of 25 rupees. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.